The Centre of Excellence for Disabled Children is a short break service for children, young people and families across York. There's three key elements to it. It's community short breaks, a meeting and activity space for families and children. A residential short break with overnight accommodation, and then a third element which is new for York, which is a therapeutic short break service for children with really complex behaviour, maybe with autism, learning difficulties, who are struggling at home and are at risk of an out of area placement. In designing a space for children with autism, we are very conscious of some of the detail and getting that absolutely right. So that was a particular element where we had experts feeding in views, suggestions and ideas, but also parents with children with autism.
My name's Helen. I am the mother of two daughters, Lucy and Emily. They have identical diagnoses of autism, severe learning difficulties and epilepsy. I'd done some volunteer work, some parent mentoring, and also another project with the Council for Disabled Children with William, who's the facilitator for the project. So when this came up, he contacted me and said, would I be interested? So it started from there. We drew silly pictures and dreamed and imagined and kind of did a sort of a brainstorm of what we thought we wanted and what we needed and what we would like to get to the design and facility that we were trying to create.
I'm Jo, I'm mum to Sam, he is 13. He's been coming to the Beehive since it opened. The building is massively bigger than where Sam used to access. It's also more purpose-built, so Sam's not been in school for nearly 2 years now because he struggles to cope with other young people. And there's a flat for him at the Beehive, so he's got his own space. It makes his stay better for him, but it also makes the stay better for us because we know he's happier. Also the massive outdoor areas, the one in the middle where we're sat now and outside, means that he can get out and about but also be safe. The difference it's made for us, for Sam coming to the Beehive, is enormous. He is very, very full on at home and we struggle to have him at home full time. If he didn't come to the Beehive, it would be very, very difficult. It allows us to get some sleep, it allows us to spend time with our daughter, knowing that he's somewhere safe and well looked after. It also allows him to access things that he wouldn't necessarily access with us as a family.
It's really good and it's fun. Yeah, I love coming. Definitely 10 times better.